Catch it.
Okay, it's recording.
No, come over here where you can see better.
Oh
Over here. No, put it up in the window.
No, it's gonna catch the thing. I know what I'm doing. Oh my god.
You got it?
Yeah.
I got it.
Oh, what the heck is that? Oh my god, we're gonna die.
Can you actually get that though?
Uh-huh. I don't know how
You
well
don't think we
it's
should
gonna-
take the screen out? We might lose it, huh?
I don't suggest we do that.
Can you imagine take forever for us to get another one? This don't blow out.
I asked Lamont if we should take this